Alright, let's take a look at this question. It's from the Psle 2019 math paper, paper 2, question 13. So we have been tasked to find two angles, angle FGE and angle EDH. Okay, let me just put my tools aside. Okay. Alright, so now if I look at this part here, these are angles between parallel lines. Because of that, these two angles actually will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle for part A, angle HGC would be equal to 180 degrees subtract 86 degrees, which will give me 94 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to indicate this in my diagram here. So because of that, now I can use angles on a straight line. Okay, I have this angle, I have this angle. It will be easy for me to find this angle now because all the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's do our equation. Angle FGE equals to 180 subtract 48 degrees subtract 94, which will give me 38 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to write my answer here with my units. Alright, now we can move on to part B. For part B, we are tasked to find angle EDH. Okay, so let's look at angle BFG first. I'm going to change the color so that you won't get confused. We're going to find this first. Okay, so angle BFG would be equal to 180 degrees subtract 90 subtract 48 degrees. Okay, I'll try to be a little bit more clear here. Alright, okay, so that would give me 42 degrees. Okay, so BFG here is 42 degrees because the sum of angles on a triangle, or rather sum of angles in a triangle is 180, whereas we already know clearly that this has to be 90 degrees since ABCD is a rectangle. Alright, now I'm going to move on to AFD. This angles on a straight line add up to 180. So angle AFD equals to 180 subtract 42 degrees subtract 92, which will give me 46. So this angle here is 46 degrees. Okay, so we are very close to our answer now. Now we are just left to find out angle EDH, which is this angle here. Okay, so similarly we can say sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180. So this is the triangle that I'm looking at. Alright, so this is my right angle. I'll just do the last equation, which will be 180 subtract 90 subtract 46, which will give me my final answer of 44 degrees. Alright, you can leave a comment if you would like me to go through a specific question. Okay, but this will be the answer for part A and part B.